and welcome once again back here to my channel. It is myself, Josie. Today's craft day, and I do believe it's day number 8. I'm not sure what craft day are we on, guys. But today craft, we're going to work on a Christmas tree made out of an old book you guys might have, or in my case, I got this book from Michael's when they had this little bin in the checkout line. There were $1 books. So I picked up a couple with this in mind, knowing that I was going to make a Christmas book, a Christmas tree made out of a book. How many books you decide to fold is up to you guys. I know that at least 50 pages will give you a good looking Christmas tree. The book I got has 175 pages. So but they're double-sided. So this is what I have so far, guys, right here. Okay, so let me show you guys how you're gonna do this. What I did, I went ahead and ripped out the hard covers, the back and the front, and it just makes it easier to deal with. So what I'm gonna do, guys, is I'm going to fold like so. So you guys have that, right? And I'm gonna get that, and I'm gonna fold it one more time, okay? I'm going to fold it one more time, and you guys should have that. When you guys have this, the next thing you guys are going to do is you guys are going to get that little fold right there and just fold it so it can line up the bottom. Okay, so when you guys fold the little thing, again, it's going to look like that. And then you guys are just going to fold up like that. And then you're going to go and do it to the rest of your pages. And like I said, I already gave myself a head start, because I knew I was going to show you guys how to do this. So it's going to be one fold, 2 folds, and then fold up that little corner up, guys. So let's finish this and tell you guys what's next. Okay, guys, so after you fold every single page, and like I mentioned, you guys, this was 175 pages. So you're going to have something like this. So you're going to get the pages in the back. And then you're going to start fanning them out like so. So it's going to look something like that. How gorgeous, guys. So what I normally do is I take the 2 pages in the back, and then like the bunch in the back, and then I fold it like that. And then I go ahead and I connect just these last 2 ones. So when you start molding it, they don't come back. So I'm going to go ahead and take the last 2 pages and fold them and glue and fold it, and that's it. So this is what you guys have, okay? So next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to spray paint this, and then I'm going to let it dry. And I'm going to show you guys how we're going to decorate. So let's go and spray paint this. Okay, guys, so now that it's dried and I'm ready to decorate, let's decorate. I'm going to use these little beads, and like I said in a previous video, I get these in a spool. I'm going to use the leftover jingle bells that I have from previous projects, and these I got at the Dollar Tree or Walmart. And I'm going to start decorating by starting from the top and then just going round and round until I get to the bottom. So I'm going to start from right here. And as you guys know, I do love the traditional colors of the reds and the gold and greens. But for this, but I do have a section in my dining room that I do have white Christmas. So I think I might just go ahead and make a silver one as well. So there you guys have it. And now we're going to add the jingles. Let me add a little bit of glue on here. Make sure my beads stay. And I'm now going to take the jingles and then just add them. we are done, I'm going to use my leftover stars from other projects as well that I've been doing. And I'm going to add my star. Like so. I don't have another big star for this one, but I'm going to go ahead, add some glue. And there you guys have it. A Christmas tree made out of a book. I am super, super excited and very, very happy about how this came out, guys. Super cute. It's going to be a conversation starter when people come over and ask, is that made out of book? And you guys can say, absolutely. So don't forget to subscribe, guys. Definitely share this. And when you guys complete anything that you see on my 12 Days of Crafting, hashtag it, tag me on your Instagram. I'll leave the link down below. And whoever makes the most projects in the end, I will definitely give out a giveaway. So until then, guys, don't forget to subscribe. Bye.